I'm Rachel.
I'm Mike.
We're Food Around Athens. We offer food tours around the authentic areas of Athens.
Anyone know what that cheese is that we have?
Sometimes we have a group of people and there's 4 different continents there, and it's just bringing them all together. And I really like that energy.
Get to see the coffee made the original way.
Food, it's the common thing for everyone. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. Everybody wants to taste, everybody wants to have some fun and experience where the locals, where they eat, what they eat, where they buy, what they want to buy. Llamas.
Llamas, yeah. The most frequently used word on our tour, llamas.
Oh, that was such an amazing food tour. We saw some really great places. It was very authentic.